The Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, FCT Nyesom Wike, has announced plans to renovate Government Secondary School Nyanya, Abuja, as part of efforts to improve education in the territory. This was disclosed by the FCT Secretary for Education, Dr. Danlami Hayyo, at a ceremony held at the school. Danlami, while speaking, said the contractors will commence work within 7 days. It was also revealed that the renovation is expected to be 80% completed within 6 months, covering the entire school infrastructure, including facilities such as toilets, hostels, dining areas, and provision of furniture and water.
But the Honorable Minister has approved the complete renovation of the school. So, I'm trying to tell you now that in 7 days' time, I'll bring the contractor here to the school. I want to also inform you that in the next 6 months, maybe the 80% of the total renovation will be done in the next 6 months. We are going to remove all the roofing, everything, including the furnitures. Our students are going to sit on new furnitures.
The FCT Administration has renovated and furnished over 60 public schools in Abuja, demonstrating its commitment to improving education infrastructure. The federal government has commenced upgrading infrastructures in senior secondary schools nationwide to meet global standards. The FCT Administration's efforts to improve education infrastructure are expected to enhance the learning environment and overall quality of education in the territory.